Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Anonymous here. Welcome back to another video. And see, I am running Windows 10, but you can see, look how translucent my taskbar is. You may be asking yourself, how did he do that? If you want to look at this too, how do you like that? And just to prove that I'm running Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows Microsoft version 1809. Okay, there is something called Classic Shell. And I was looking around trying to make my taskbar translucent, and I came across this, and this is completely free, and it's actually really cool. So if we go ahead and let's go Classic Shell menu settings, which is the one you want to open to do all this, but start menu style, go from to that classic style. You can see it changes, but I like the way mine looks. You could do crazy things like select skin. I could do let's say metallic and make it gold and gold, which is kind of ugly, but look, if you like that, well, props to you. But I really like the midnight and having it more transparent. And yeah, where to download this? I'll put a link, but all you really would have to do is type in Classic Shell. And once you type that in, it'll be classicshell.net. And once here, you want to go ahead and wait for everything to load. And with the button, you're going to want to press download now. And once you press download now, wait for everything to load here. You'll see this. Don't press any of that. You're going to want to press English if you speak English. It's a very small file, as you see, 69 megabits. It's a very small file. But and then once you have it downloaded, the first thing it will open would be this one. And this is what it basically look like. You'd have this, 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 and this. What you're going to do is press show all settings, and you'll get all these options, you know. Could do this, select the skin, blah blah blah. And if you have advanced, if you want to, you could replace the buttons, and now you can see it's like that, or the classic start one. Or you could do your custom one, which mine was a little too big. You need the perfect size, which I'm not sure what size you need for the picture. It may be a 25 by 25. I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this. It's actually really cool. But anyways, guys, I hope you. And one more thing, actually, before I end this, it does not slow down your PC whatsoever, like other ones. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.